What's up? How you doing? Today we will be taking a look at OHLPRO magnetic wireless car charger for MagSafe mount for iPhone 12 and newer. Let's see what we have in the box. We have the car holder. This is for the windshield or any compatible surface that this suction cup will stick to. It has tilt and telescope. We have a vent mount. A mount with some 3M tape, so you can pretty much stick this anywhere if necessary. We have a USB cable. Approximately 4 to 5 feet long, USB-A to USB-C. We have a magnetic ring you can put on back of your phone or case to help it stick to the charger. We have this disc here you could mount with screws to a surface, and the suction cup will stick to it. We have a power plug with two USB-A QC 3.0. And we have the charger itself. It's capable of charging up to 15 watts, and I read in the paperwork it said it also charge your iPods. That's good. And we have a quick start manual and some kind of template. I not exactly know what it's for, but I guess it's probably to help center the pad for the suction cup. That's what I think it's for. Now let's get it installed in my car and take a closer look. And this is the windshield mount. It's pretty sturdy, resistant to vibration. You don't have to worry about your phone falling off. Only thing that bothers me, I wish the cable was longer so I could do something, run it back, run it up, and run it all the way around, but that's not possible. But it's still not too bad because they'll plug in here, then you can plug into power right here, so it's not that much of an issue. And here's the vent clamp. I like this clamp a lot because it screws down to tightening, and that ensures that your phone ain't going nowhere. Again, the magnet is very strong, so it's very resistant to vibration while driving. Also, I can't use this anywhere. Earlier I didn't notice it has a sticky pad at the bottom. You need to film, you can stick it to your dash. I don't really like sticking things to my dash, but it's good to have it as an option. So if you want to check out this car charger, I will leave a link in the description to OHLPRO magnetic car charger. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if I missed something, you know what to do. But if your feeling is a little bit more complicated than that, or you have a suggestion, please leave a comment. Also, I stream several times a week on Twitch. The schedule is in the video description. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute. Best to believe, I am a social guy.